And this is me after, and I can finally talk, which is nice. Okay, I need to get ready. We're gonna go meet Selena Gomez, which is a sentence I never thought I'd say. But we gotta go. I'm gonna be late. Okay, let's go. We might have to meet this, sorry. I'm actively looking at Pinterest right now for inspo. Do I have to leave in like 15 minutes? Yeah. I still gotta look at my board. Rare Beauty eyebrow gel, one of the best. I'm running out, so hopefully they can give me a new one over there. Fingers crossed. Okay, we're here, guys. We're in the parking garage. Oh. Okay, guys, we're here. Selena Gomez is... Can you smell her? She's near. Okay, let's go. I need to go to the bathroom so bad.
We're just really nervous.
No, we're so nervous. Okay, let's go to the bathroom. I got a speaker in here. Okay, come on, we're here. We're here. It kind of feels like Devil Wears Prada in here, so I'm like, I have to be very quiet. It's incredible. Let's go. Now we got Selena over there. Selena. The mother load. So this is what corporate feels like. Feels great. This is what corporate feels like. Clock me in.
Yum, 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 yum. Delicioso!
Eye brightener.
Yeah, there we go.
Eye
Perfect. Eye brightener, and then I just need, no, but wait, I also was thinking, so I would say foundation, eye brightener, bronzer.
And then I also heard that this is your favorite lip liner.
That is!
Yeah,
Yes.
so I was like, okay, we could do this
Okay,
one, maybe
perfect.
a little.
I like this one. No, because you have a really pretty skin tone. I actually think a door would be really pretty. I'll take this really And maybe just one of these bad boys. Oh, there we go.
Ooh, yeah.
From her personal collection, Sara.
Love it. Yes, actually, I used that one.
No, you're fine.
Oh, eye patches. I'm gonna say
patches.
start with those so you could do a cute little.
Love that.
Yes. Brow gel? I am obsessed with this brow gel. I don't know what you did to it.
I don't know what happened.
I don't know what you put
but
inside
we
it.
got so lucky. It's like
So
my
good.
favorite, absolute favorite.
All you have to do is find Selena Gomez and ask her to do your makeup routine.
It's me.
Just kidding, don't do that. She's a busy woman.
Normally, you know, you can prime, but what I have to highlight today are the 3-in-1 foundations. They're matte, but they are, I'm so excited about this. I feel like such a dork.
No.
But basically it is 3-in-1. So it primes, covers, and then sets. And then the rest is done. That's why I wanted something quick
This
for
is
foundation.
like the perfect lazy girl routine.
Yes.
Because you can do whatever. You can also use this as a concealer, right?
Mm-hmm.
You
I
did
used
that.
it as a concealer, and also I used it on my wedding day, and I used it on
my
carpet. It's like good for buildable or just a fresh look. I'd say after that, eye brightener.
Ooh,
You
yes.
can pop a few dots, brightens your eyes a little,
Okay.
gives you a little mm-mm. Then I would suggest the bronzer.
The bronzer.
Because this just makes every look like melt with this glowy look. And then I would say, because I would be amiss, that you have to use the soft
Of
pitch blush.
course.
This is like my proudest baby, and I picked this color out just for you.
It's,
so we'll
oh my god.
I hope it works. I hope it works. Though.
Please. It
And
looks so good.
oh, this one is a gem. This one's one of my favorites. Eyebrow gel.
I have geeked out with Selena about this. I said, this is, I don't know what you put in that.
I don't either. I
It's
do
so
know.
good. You do know,
I
but you don't know.
because we're so happy with this. That's honestly one of my favorite, proudest.
This is my baby. This is
Yes,
mine.
yes. Here's something because I like it for your skin tone. This one is my favorite color. It's Wise, if you can see it. It'll look good on your skin tone. And then because I'm such a girly and I have lots of lip stuff,
Oh, that's my favorite step.
I'm giving you lip gloss, lip oil on all these colors so that you can decide what looks best with your look. So girl, finish it up with a little important one. This, you know?
And you don't even need to with this foundation.
Not really, but if you want an extra glow or something.
Yeah.
Well, I really can't wait to see how you try this because you look beautiful, so you don't really like you can put anything on. But I really hope you enjoy them.
Thank you so much.
Oh my god, I love you. Thank you.
You're the best. Guys, Selena Gomez, she needs no introduction, but it's Selena. Oh, okay. My Texas girl. Woo! Heyo chat, I'm at the UGG event. Well, we left Selena, by the way. Here now in Venice, as I like to call it, be nice. Should I wear my Uggs? They're crusty. That's what I'm saying. Like, should I wear my Uggs? Like, but they're kind of crusty. Is the only, but it's like on theme.
And maybe they'll give you some new ones.
Yeah, they'll be like, oh, love yeah. The key here is not to get ran over. Got you jaywalking on candy camera. Fuck off. Okay, so we're inside. I've got the Uggs. Sophia got the blue ones. I've got the pink ones. I'm excited to try. Those are so cute. We got some Ugg popcorn. Dude, they're so soft too. They're so comfy, man. And my Uggs, I need to retire these Uggs. I need to get new ones. And just when you thought that the popcorn was it and the cotton candy, they gave us Swedish candy.
And pins.
Pins. And then my pink slides. We're gonna go get cotton candy. So now we're here getting a smoothie. I can't even tell how I look right now. This is a horrible angle probably. Strawberry Fields Forever. Sophia's gonna grab this one, the chocolate thunder. But we're at the smoothie place that we saw on TikTok actually. But the comments were divided on saying that they tasted like nothing or it tasted like the best thing they've ever put in their mouth. That's what she said. So I'll rate it 1 out of 10. We'll see if it's good. Okay guys, not gonna lie, I already tried this, but fucking gas, dude. Oh, okay.
Like a Neapolitan?
It's like a reward. Hey guys, okay, so I'm getting ready right now because it's a whole other day, by the way. For beauty, clock it. I love all my other makeup brands as well. I think right now I'm just still in shock because I met the Selena Gomez. She was very sweet and one of the most kindest celebrities that I've met. Actually, it's so nice to meet someone that you've looked up to your entire life and for them to actually be good people. She deserves all of the success that she has gotten and I'm so happy that I was able to meet her and she was so sweet, so kind. I don't know, that whole day just felt so unreal and I'm so blessed and I'm literally getting ready to see her again. But yeah, I just wanted to talk about my experience the other day. It was genuinely unreal. I know that I literally showed you guys the behind the scenes of the TikTok that we filmed, but if you guys want to see it, actually, if you guys haven't seen it already, what are you doing? Go see it. It's really cool and I'd appreciate it if you watched it. It's so funny because it literally felt like I knew her for so long. Like it felt like I was talking to an old friend back from the valley where I lived in Texas. It was so surreal. Just talking to my other Latina baddie, which a lot of you guys are like, damn, you're Latina? I didn't even know that. Yes, I am Latina. I know that I look racially ambiguous because a lot of people never know, like they can't put their finger on it. They're like, we know you're not white, you're something, but I don't know what you are. But the rumors are true. I am Mexican, I'm a Latina baddie. Sorry, if you hear noise, they're fixing the walls in my house. I probably will never shut up about it, that I met Selena and the fact that she literally was like, this is your blush. This is the blush that will look best on you. I will never wear another blush. It's the shade Adore. So if you have the same complexion as me, she said this is what's best. And not gonna lie, she kind of ate. Like I'm kind of obsessed with this blush now. So Selena knows best. Look at that. Could I put a little bit more? Yeah. Because with these, one drop goes a long way. And I know, I have blush blindness and I need to stop sometimes. I just don't know when to stop, so. Okay, makeup look is done. Time for setting spray. I don't know why I kept one eye open. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment the rose emoji if you've made it this far into the video. I'll see you guys in the next video. You guys will get to see the outfit that I choose with this makeup look. Let me know what you guys want to see more from me, because I wanna hear what you want to see. And guys, I hate to say it, but this is the end of the video. No. I love you guys. See you in the next one. Bye.